What you doing, John? You pushing your sister? You having fun, Julia? Oh, she needs her hat. Put her hat on. Do you want mommy to help you do it? Good job. Okay, she'll just hold it. Okay, pull her in the wagon. You're doing a good job. Does she like it? You're doing good. Watch out for the... Oh, be careful.